All right, guys, so we are still predicting events in the lunar cycle given an initial pattern, and we're using models to explain the phases of the moon. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to have several pictures to look at, 8 pictures to look at, and you guys are going to answer the questions, and the questions are super easy. So let's go ahead and look at slide number 2. So there you have a moon phase or a lunar cycle, and the first question says, what side of the moon is the light on? And then I even tell you, is it right or left? And you guys are like, oh, it's on the right side. Okay, so again, focus on the light. Question number 2, how much of the moon is illuminated or lit? Okay, so is it less than half, half, or more than half? So again, I look and I'm like, oh, that's less than half. See? So then you're going to say, what phase is this? Okay, so again, you look at it and you say, okay, right side, that means waxing. Less than half, or that banana shape, that's going to be a crescent. All right, and I'm actually going to add in, I'll put in banana to help us. And then this one, we talked about fat football, okay? So I'll put that in there to help you guys. All right, so you're going to do that for the other ones. So let's look at this one right here. What side is of the moon is the light on? So we see it's on the left side. So here we'll type in left side. How much of the moon is illuminated or lit? Less than half, so crescent. Does it look like a crescent? Is it half or more than half? And in here it looks like it's like bulging. We talked about that. So it's going to be more than half. And then so what phase is this? Well, left side is waning. Okay. And then more than half is gibbous. So this is a waning gibbous. Okay. So you're going to do, it's the same questions on each slide. So you're going to do that till you get to slide number 9. And then once you're done with that, what you're going to do is you're going to move the slides and you're going to arrange them in order starting from new moon. Okay. So you can actually move slides around in case you weren't aware of that. And so what's the easiest way, and I try to make the pictures as big as possible, is if you click on that button there, the grid, okay, this kind of gives you an overview of everything. So now you can say, okay, like, oh, this one's new moon because it's completely dark, there's no light. So I'm going to grab this one and put it in the beginning. Okay. And then after new moon, we have waxing crescent. So that's perfect. And then after waxing crescent, we have first quarter. So you're going to find the first quarter moon and you're going to drag it next. So you're going to drag these in order. Now, don't worry. I did provide your notes. So if you need notes to help you, they're here. All right. And then on slides 11 and 12, you're just summarizing. So what does it mean when the moon is in a waxing phase? What does it mean when the moon is in a waning phase? What does it mean when the moon is called a crescent moon? What does it mean when the moon is called a gibbous moon? And again, all this stuff, we talked about it yesterday, and it's in your notes. Slide number 12. Again, more summary. What does it mean when the moon is called a full moon? So how does it look? What's going on? Everything you've learned. Can you tell me the position of the sun, moon, and earth? What does it mean when the moon is called a new moon? What does it mean when the moon is called a first quarter moon? What does it mean when the moon is called a third quarter moon? Okay. And then again, I know it looks like a lot of slides and it's scary, guys, but really slides 13 through 22 are notes to help you. So it's not stuff you have to do. It's just notes. Because I had somebody one time say that was too many slides, but I don't think they were paying attention to everything. Okay. As usual, guys, if you need help, look at the notes. If you still don't understand, watch the videos. I'm going to link them in your assignment or give you all the information about your assignment. And if you're still stuck, you can go ahead and ask questions. All right, go ahead and get started. See y'all later.